Hey, I'm dragging, bro.
It hurts. It hurts my breathe.
Yo, make it.
Well, drink you some water. Drink that water. Drink the whole cup. All the way down. Go, 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 go. Sire, go, go, go.
We're about to do the drink taste challenge. So Sire is gonna pick any one of those drinks to try. He's gonna try each one of those drinks and he's gonna let us know what the flavor is. So go ahead and try.
These like pickles.
It's pickle juice. Okay, go.
Oh my. Cranberry.
Yep, that's right.
Yes!
What is it, Sire?
Hot sauce!
Hot sauce. Ah,
You gave him hot sauce.
hot sauce, a lot of. Damn, bro.
You gave him hot sauce.
My throat.
Sire, what's wrong?
My breathing burns.
It burns. Oh,
Oh, shoot.
he's a dragon now.
You didn't give him the hot sauce that's
Dragon.
very hot. Now he over here eating some ice.
Hey, I'm dragging, bro.
It hurts. It hurts my breathe.
Yo, make it.
Well, drink you some water. Drink that water. Drink the whole cup. All the way down. Go, 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 go. Sire, go, go, go. Let me see you chug it, Sire. Let me see you.
Yo. You satisfied?
Good.
Sire completed the challenge.
No, we're going to switch it up on you, bro.